Hello and welcome to Dean's N-Scale Trains. Over the last few years, I have built two small layouts. This is one of them, the Scenic Ridge.
And here's the second one, the Conejos Valley Railroad.
And in my last video, I showed you my plans on how I was going to combine the two layouts into one larger one. But at the end of that video, I indicated there was a problem with my plan. Fortunately, a couple of my subscribers quickly pointed out an easy solution to my problem, and I'm going to show you their solution today. So stay tuned to see what I'm going to do.
So here's the track diagram of my proposed larger layout, with the first layout, the Scenic Ridge, at the top, and the second, the Conejos Valley Railroad, at the bottom. In the previous video, I proposed putting them together like this and adding the red track to combine the two. But as you can see, if you go from, say, the bottom layout to the top, there's no way to return to the bottom one from the top unless you back around the curve.
A couple of my subscribers said it would be easy to add a second track going back. I've indicated that in the diagram with the blue line. There's very little change in rail heights between the two layouts, so this would be easy to do. One small hang-up is that the connection going to the bottom layout is currently on a curve. That means I will have to pull up some track, put in a new switch, and add another piece of track. It's a little more difficult, but it's doable. In thinking about it, there's a further problem that I didn't talk about. This side of the layout is going to be pushed against a wall, the way I'm going to set it up. You can't reach the track going from this port, because this is over 4 feet long.
Here are some possible solutions that I've figured out. 1, tear down much of the mountain, move the entrance to the tunnel much to the left. That would be fairly difficult, but possible. 2, leave some space between the module and the wall. I really don't want to do that. Put a port in the front of the mountain. I've done that in the past, but it's hard to hide the seam. The 4th option is to put the entire layout on wheels. That would be a little bit awkward, I think. Finally, the 5th option is to use a grabber to reach any derailments. I already have a Woodland Scenics rail tracker cleaning rod, so I can reach all of the tunnels from the right-hand side if need be. So I think this is the best option to go, but I'll be testing it out in the near future. Stay tuned to my channel, Dean's N-Scale Trains, to see where I'm going. As always, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.